Saudi Arabia, officially known as the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, is a country in Western Asia. It is the largest country in the Arabian Peninsula. Its capital is Riyadh. The flag is used by the government of Saudi Arabia since 15th March 1973. It is a green flag featuring in white an Arabic inscription and a sword. The Arabic inscription on the flag, written in the calligraphic Tulhut script, is the Islamic declaration of faith. There is no God but Allah. Muhammad is the messenger of Allah. The green color of the flag represents Islam, and the sword stands for the strictness in applying justice. The Saudi Arabian national emblem was adopted in 1950. It consists of two crossed swords with a palm tree in the space above and between the blades. The date palm represents vitality and growth, and the two crossed swords symbolizes justice and strength rooted in faith. The emblem appears on government documents, diplomatic missions, as well as several Saudi Arabian flags. Extending from the Red Sea in the west to the Arabian Gulf in the east, it is bordered by Jordan and Iraq to the north, Kuwait to the northeast, Qatar, Bahrain, and the United Arab Emirates to the east, Oman to the southwest, and Yemen to the south. It is separated from Egypt and Israel in the northwest by the Gulf of Aqaba. Saudi Arabia is the only country with a coastline along both the Red Sea and the Persian Gulf, and most of its terrain consists of arid desert, lowlands, steppe, and mountains. The climate varies from region to region. Temperatures can reach over 110 degrees Fahrenheit in the desert in summers, while in winters, temperatures in the north and central parts of the country can drop below freezing. Saudi Arabia gets very little rain, only about 4 inches a year on average. Saudi Arabia is the largest country in the Middle East and the second largest country in the Arab world, with a population of around 34.2 million people. Saudi Arabia also has one of the world's youngest populations, with approximately 50% of its population of 34.2 million being under 25 years old. Approximately 76% of the Saudi people live in urban areas, compared to 24% in the rural areas. The world's second largest religion, Islam, emerged in modern-day Saudi Arabia. Islam is the state religion of Saudi Arabia and is the basis of the legal system of the government. Everything in Saudi is related by the 5 daily prayers. All shops and offices close during each prayer for at least 20 to 30 minutes. However, shopping malls, hospitals, and airports do stay open, and taxis and other public transport continue to run normally. Prayer times change daily according to the seasons and your exact location in the kingdom. Arabic is the official language of Saudi Arabia and the primary language used in all dealings and public transactions. English serves as an informal second language in the kingdom and is spoken by a large section of its society. Saudi National Day is celebrated on every 23rd September of the year to commemorate the renaming of the Kingdom of Najd and Hejaz to the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia by a royal decree from the King Abdul Aziz in Saud in 1932. It was made a national holiday by King Abdullah in 2005. Saudi Arabia traces its roots back to the earliest civilizations of the Arabian Peninsula. Over the centuries, the peninsula has played an important role in history as an ancient trade center and as the birthplace of Islam, one of the world's major monotheistic religions. Located between the two great centers of civilization, the Nile River Valley and Mesopotamia, the Arabian Peninsula was the crossroads of the ancient world. In the early 7th century, the Islamic prophet Muhammad united the population of Arabia and created a single Islamic religious polity. Following his death in 632, his followers rapidly expanded the territory under Muslim rule beyond Arabia, conquering huge and unprecedented swaths of territory in a matter of decades. The Kingdom of Saudi Arabia was founded in 1932 by King Abdulaziz. Saudi Arabia is sometimes called the land of the two holy mosques in reference to Al-Masjid al-Haram in Mecca and Al-Masjid al-Nabawi in Medina, the two holiest places in Islam. Historically, agriculture in the Arabian Peninsula was limited mostly to date farming and small-scale vegetable production in widely scattered oases. Today, large areas of desert have been turned into agricultural fields, a major accomplishment in the country that receives an average of about 4 inches of rain a year, one of the lowest rates in the world. Nowadays, agriculture in Saudi Arabia is focused on the export of dates, dairy products, eggs, fish, poultry, fruits, vegetables, and flowers to markets around the world. Saudi Arabia is a desert country with no permanent rivers or lakes and very little rainfall. Water is scarce and extremely valuable, and with the country's rapid growth, the demand for water is increasing. Aquifers, a vast underground reservoir of water, is a major source of water in Saudi Arabia. The other major source of water is the sea. Saudi Arabia is the world's largest producer of desalinated water. Desalination is done through a process that produces potable water from brackish seawater. The kingdom aims to recycle as much as 40% of the water used for domestic purposes in urban areas. Petroleum was discovered on 3rd March 1938. Saudi Arabia has the second largest reserves of petroleum in the world after Venezuela and ranks as one of the largest exporters of petroleum. The petroleum sector accounts for roughly 75% of the budget revenues, 45% of GDP, and 90% of export earnings. Most oil fields are located in the eastern province, including the largest onshore field in Khawar and the largest offshore field at Safaniya in the Arabian Gulf. Saudi Arabia's oil production varies according to the guidelines set by the OPEC, Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries. Considered among the most technologically advanced in the world, Saudi Arabia has 9 refining complexes that produce gasoline, fuel and diesel oil, liquefied petroleum gas, jet fuel, kerosene and other petroleum products for the domestic market and for export. When the modern kingdom was established in 1932, the Arabian Peninsula was an agricultural society that depended on farming and commerce, especially date exports and trade generated by pilgrims coming to Mecca and Medina. It lacked the infrastructure needed to support the kind of economic growth envisioned by its founder, King Abdulaziz bin Abdul Rahman Al Saud. The discovery of oil in commercial quantities in 1938 changed that. The energy sector is the backbone of the Saudi economy. Saudi Arabia is an oil-based economy with government controls over major economic activities. The kingdom is categorized as a World Bank high-income economy with a high Human Development Index and is the only Arab country to be part of the G20 major economies. The Saudi economy is the largest in the Middle East and 19th largest in the world. In addition to being a member of the Gulf Cooperation Council, Saudi Arabia is an active and founding member of the United Nations, Organizations of Islamic Cooperation, Arab League and OPEC. Roughly 4 million foreign workers play an important role in Saudi economy in the oil and service sectors. Saudi Arabia is an Islamic state based on the principles prescribed by the Quran, Islam's holy book, and the Sharia, Islamic law. In Saudi Arabia, there is a monarchical head of the state who is known as the King of the Saudi Arabia. He is the head of the Saudi Arabian royal family, the House of Saud. The king is called the custodian of the two holy mosques. Saudi Arabia is divided into 13 provinces. Each province has a governor, a deputy governor, and a provincial council. These councils deliberate on the needs of their province, work on the development project, consider future development plans, and monitor ongoing projects. The kingdom spends 8% of its GDP on the military, highest in the world after Oman, which places it as the world's third biggest military spender behind the United States and China, and the world's largest arms importer from 2015 to 2019, receiving half of all the US arms exports to the Middle East. According to the BICC, Saudi Arabia is the 28th most militarized country in the world and enjoys the region's best military equipment qualitatively after Israel. Today, industrial products make up more than 90% of the kingdom's non-oil exports. Saudi Arabia exports petrochemicals, plastics, metal goods, construction materials, and electrical appliances to more than 90 countries all over the world. The Jubail industrial city on the Persian Gulf has dozens of factories and industrial facilities, including a desalination plant, a seaport, a vocational training institute, and a college. The Yanbu industrial city on the Red Sea has a modern port, refineries, a petrochemical complex, and many manufacturing and support equipments. Saudi Arabia's national currency is the Saudi Riyal, which is subdivided into 100 halala. You will receive notes in denominations of 5 riyals, 10 riyals, 50 riyals, 100 riyals, and 500 riyals, and coins in 1 riyal, 2 riyal, 50 halala, 25 halala, 10 halala, 5 halala, and 1 halala. Saudi Arabia has also a thriving stock market. The total value of shares traded annually is some $16 billion. The Tadawul Oil Share Index TASI of the Saudi stock market is one of the most highly capitalized stock exchanges in the Arab world. Today, Saudi Arabia's education system includes over 50 public and private universities, some 30,000 schools, and a large number of colleges and other institutions. While the study of Islam remains at its core, the modern Saudi educational system also provides quality instruction in diverse fields of arts and sciences. At a time when Europe was mired in the Dark Ages, the Islamic world became a center for learning, making major contributions in the areas of astronomy, physics, art, philosophy, and medicine, a period known as the Golden Age. The largest university in the kingdom is King Abdulaziz University in Jeddah, with over 70,000 students. Adult education is another important part of Saudi Arabia's educational program. The Ministry of Education runs vocational secondary schools, and several other government agencies operate institutes or training centers in their particular specialities. The Saudi healthcare provides free care to the general public. Today, Saudis have access to a national network of thousands of hospitals and clinics, and can obtain virtually any specialized medical treatment they might need in the kingdom. Sophisticated surgical procedures such as open heart surgery and organ transplants are routinely performed in Saudi hospitals by medical professionals that meet the highest international standards. The first uterus transplant in the world was performed in 2001 at the Soliman Faki Hospital, a private facility in Jeddah. Both traditional and modern sports are popular in Saudi Arabia. The people of the Arabian Peninsula have enjoyed sports for thousands of years, including horse and camel racing, falconry, and hunting with hounds. Soccer is by far the most popular modern sport in Saudi Arabia. It also has a number of first-class golf courses. Camping is a popular activity among Saudis. Families pitch tents in the middle of the desert. Saudi Arabia is home to a variety of animals, including the Arabian oryx, a type of antelope native to the Arabian Peninsula that roams freely in Saudi Arabia's large deserts. The famous purebred Arabian horse is one of the most popular breeds in the world, with a bloodline that dates back thousands of years. There are also many camels in Saudi Arabia. Camel racing is a popular sport. Saudi Arabia's national airline, Saudi Arabian Airlines, started out in 1945. The King Abdulaziz International Airport in Jeddah is a center for pilgrims arriving for the Hajj and has a dedicated pilgrim terminal. Saudi Arabia has 21 large modern ports that facilitate industrial development. More than half of Saudi Arabia's sea traffic passes through the Islamic port of Jeddah, one of the main ports in the Middle East and an entry point for pilgrims. The Saudi workforce is mainly divided into three sectors of professions. Service sector is the highest by 28.69%, the technical and scientific sector by 27.98%, and the third sector is administrative, which is the lowest by 3.56%. The non-Saudi workforce is concentrated in the production and construction sector by 41.07%, followed by the service sector, then by the administrative professions by 1.14%. Popular cities in Saudi Arabia are Riyadh, the capital and the most populous city of the kingdom; Jeddah, it is a large metropolitan city with an outstanding beautiful old town and an amazing waterfront; Mecca, the historical and spiritual heart of Islam. It contains the great mosque of Kaaba, parts of which are thousands of years old. It hosts one of the biggest religious congregations of the world, the Hajj. Medina, the capital of the first caliphate and the site of the Prophet's mosque, where he and his family are buried.